Okay, so in today's lesson, we looked at finding a common denominator. Then when we divide straight across, it's just the numerators divided by the numerators. Because if you have the same denominator, like over here, 12 divided by 12 equals 1. So you would end up with 3 over 4 divided by 1 divided by 1. But 1 divided by 1 is just 1. And dividing something by 1 is just whatever it was. So it ends up just being 3/4. And so here we go. So in this first one, it says step one is get common denominators. Denominator. Sorry, not a very good speller. Second, divide the numerators. Submit. So here we go. Draw a diagram if it helps. Did I draw diagrams? No, I think I just divided. Here we go. I'm looking at my notes from, I just got common denominators. So 5 would be 5 over 1 divided by 2/3. So thirds would be the common denominator. That would be 15/3 divided by 2/3 equals 15 over 2. And it is completely okay in my class to have improper fractions, to write it like that. Yeah, 15 over 2. 2.5, the first step for me is always make fractions. So that would be 5/2 divided by 5/8. Getting common numerators doesn't really do anything. You need common denominators. So I'm going to multiply this one by 4 over 4. I get 20 over 8 divided by 5 over 8. And 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Okay, 4/3 and 5/2. The common denominator would be sixths, so I get 8/6 instead of 4/3 divided by 15/6 is 8/15. Fourths and fifths, we're going to get 20ths. So I get 50/20ths is the same as 10/4 divided by 16/20ths equals 50/16. Ugh, not nice. And I would have simplified that one. I would have seen that, oh, that's the same as 3 and 2/16 was the same as 3 and 1/8. Up here, I would have written 7.5. But writing a mixed number in Amplify isn't very easy. So just use it as an improper fraction. It's much easier. Just use that slash key. Ooh, what did she do there? Somehow she cross-divided. 10 divided by 5 and 4 divided by... We don't do that. That's not math. 20ths. We just did that problem, right? We converted this one to 50 over 20. We changed this one into 16 over 20. And you get 50/16ths. Not 2. What advice? Get common denominators. That's my advice. Get common denominators. Here we go. Ooh, 2.5 and 2/3. So, like, if I was to get common denominators between halves and thirds, it would be sixths. I'm cutting each one of these into 6 pieces, and then 2/3 is the same as 4/6. So 4 of these right here would be 1 bucket. 4 of those right there would be 1 bucket. 4 of those right there would be 1 bucket. So it's actually 3 and then 3 out of 4. So I need 3 full containers. All right, I'm going to make 3 full containers. Which of these 6 divided by 1/3? Ooh, that's not right. It's this one, B. 6 getting divided by 1/3. There's lots of them. Sid, 10 meters ahead. Okay, unit rates. 120 meters in 24 seconds. When I divide, that's 5. 5 meters per second. 120 over 25 is 4.8 meters per second. So that's 0.2 meters per 0.2 meters per second difference. And then it says that Sid gets a 10-meter head start. So if I do 10 divided by 0.2, 50 seconds. It's going to take her 50 seconds. It's going to take Jordan 50 seconds. No, other way around. It's going to take Jordan 50 seconds to catch up. At that point, that 10 meters disappears. See it work. 10 divided by 0.2 equals 50 seconds. Number 8. 60 pounds. Ooh, okay. 33 over 60 equals what over 100? If I divide by 3, that's 11. Divide by 3 over 3. This is 20. So 11/20. This is the same as 33/60. I multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. I get that that's 55%. Ooh, 95% of the rate. That's a heavy kid. So if I do 95 over 100 equals, what over 60? Divide by 5, I get 19/20. Multiply by 3, 19 times 3 is 57 pounds. 57 out of that 60. Let's see how I did. Yay! And if you have any questions, ask in class. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.